Here I have ARCHOS Diamond Gamma, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So first of all, you have to hold down power key and turn it off. And after your device turns off completely, you have to enter recovery mode by holding down power key and volume up for a few seconds, like this. When you see this logo and the message powered by Android, you can release power key and just keep holding volume up, and you will enter recovery mode menu. Here on recovery mode you have to use volume keys to navigate to option wipe cache partition. Use the 6th option from top and then confirm it with the power key, and then confirm it here by selecting yes. After you see this message cache wipe complete, just select first option reboot system now to restart your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.